You can change the video highlights in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Click and select your video clip. See it's currently selected and highlighted. Bottom right hand screen, and to the right, you see the option Adjust. Next, Auto Reframe and Video Quality. If you want to scroll to the right, you see the option Highlights, Shadows, and Graphs. Take this in the middle hand screen, scrolling to the left, the video highlights, or decreasing. We to the right, being brighter or increasing. I'm going to take this and scroll to the left, click the check mark on the bottom hand screen, diamond icon to add a keyframe. Go to the end of the video, click an icon to add a keyframe, go to the right, adjust, this to the right, check mark icon. This is what we have. You have now successfully adjusted the highlights in Capcut Mobile completely for free.